Savis, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about a fun DIY from a flower bouquet. If you guys watching this video for the first time, this is Savvy Woman. I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday. So this is how the flower bouquet is earlier. Now I'm going to show you how I transformed it. Into 4 and a fruit basket. I transformed a flower bouquet into 4 other vases and a fruit basket. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first things first, to do this DIY, you need a pair of scissors, water, and 4 vases, 4 normal vases, and whatever the vases available in your home, that would do. And now we are dismantling this flower bouquet. We have to remove the flowers first, just like I'm showing you here. So the next step in this DIY would be removing the grass, whatever the grass which came with this bouquet, we have to remove it. Also be mindful while doing this, guys, because most of the decorative grass has thorns, so be mindful while doing it. So the next step would be removing the leaves. Separate the small leaves and big leaves. Segregate each of them separately, such that while arranging them into the other vases, it would be easy for you. So the next step would be this wire. Most of the bouquets has this wire such that it comes attached, as you can see, over that green sponge kind of thing. So now I will remove that later. So now I'm filling water in the vases just to keep the leaves and roses fresh. This DIY flower bouquet can last for 1 to 2 weeks. So this is super useful. Now I'm arranging the leaves. So as you know, is it a DIY? Most of us don't know the DIY full form. It is do it ourselves. It is a method of building or modifying or repairing things without the direct aid of experts or professionals. So as it is a do it yourself, you can arrange these flowers and leaves in whatever the order you want, in whatever arrangement you need them to be, in whatever places you're going to keep them. So altogether in this flower bouquet, I think there are about 12 to 15 roses. So I arranged them accordingly with respect to their sizes and the respective sizes of my vases, and I imagine the place for them to be, so I'm arranging them accordingly. First I arranged the roses, then the grass, and then the leaves. This is how I did it. I followed the same pattern for other four vases, for filling the other four vases as well, as you can see. Also, this flower bouquet, I ordered it for my dad's birthday. I don't want to get it pasted, so I'm dismantled it and rearranged it into four other vases, and it literally stayed for 2 weeks. Such mate literally stayed for 2 weeks, and the fragrance which is coming out of them is so good. If you want, you can add essential oils to this as well, but be mindful of the amount which you're adding to it, because this one has fresh roses. Usually essential oils we add them to the dried leaves or flowers, so I suggest not to add that. But if you want this vase to be more aromatic, you can add any essential oil. So now the last vase is also ready, as you can see. So I have four vases, and here is a quick tip for watering them. I'm gonna show you in a while. Also, I'm adding the extra leaves which are left over to the vases. That's it, Savis. Our vases are ready now. And for the basket, we need to remove that sponge and wire wala thing. So I removed it already. And now the arrangement looks like this. So this is how you water them. These plastic bottles are available anywhere in the market. I just fill them with water and just spray on them every day, morning and evening. Twice a day you have to spray on them, and they'll last definitely for 2 weeks. That's it. We are ready with 4 vases and a fruit basket. And let me tell you, the smell is amazing. The aroma all over the house is so soothing and serene and so rejuvenating. Alright, DIY तो हो गया. So now let me tell you a good news. Amazon is having a great Republic Day sale which is from 20 to 23rd, and for Prime members there is extra good news because from 19th they're having 24-hour Prime Day sale and they are having amazing deals. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, so check that out. Okay, that's it for today's Savis. I hope you guys like my video, and please do try this DIY if you're having any flower bouquets at home, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Savvy Woman signing off.